Tired of manually creating product descriptions for your e-commerce store? Generate great content with something as easy as a simple EAN code in a Google Sheet. First, we grab the ShoppingScraper data from Google Shopping based on EAN code. We then ask GPT-3 to generate a 50 words product description. You can change the type of content by selecting another type of content. Let's try key features. Translations are done by Google Translate. Let's change the translation to Italian. It works for every EAN code, as long as the product is offered on Google Shopping. Try out changing the source to other countries, as in some countries Google Shopping content is better depending on the product. Get access to this Google Sheet with 500 free ShoppingScraper credits.